Hey everyone, we've got some auto electrical work to do today. So we have a 2006 Nissan Patrol 4.2 diesel with a gas system, pretty cool, and stacks and stacks and stacks of accessories and additional stuff installed. Now, and a whole bunch of stuff in the back, which I'm not going to show you. So what we've got is, this is the main battery. Secondary would live over there, but that's already fried, so it's in the bin. Short circuit, battery drain problem. So we've got to figure out what's causing the issue to keep sapping power from the battery. Now we can see, I already know what the problem is, so I'm just going to walk you through the steps. So here we have on the negative terminal, this has been really hot due to that short circuit, and it started to melt the insulation a bit. It's only just started to happen up on this end at the terminal, like it's perfectly fine down here. So we're all good, I don't need to replace the entire cable. And here's what I wanted to show you in regards to my diagnosis procedure. So that's the negative terminal on my intelligent battery jumper, and here's the positive on here. So we turn it on, and because these clamps are not on a battery on the terminals, there's no circuit running through the car, so it says it currently thinks that I'm not connected. If I had this on here, it would say press jump start, but because I know there's a short circuit and a problem, I'm not going to do that. So here what we can do, we can override it. So it's a 12 volt system, so we press that, hold 12 or 24 volt to override, depending on which kind of car you have or truck. So if I hold this, short circuit detected, press power to exit. So if the system was healthy, this would just give it, 13 volts, 14 volts, so we could jump start the engine from just this battery pack and bypass the battery. But it's detected a short circuit, so it's not going to give me anything at all. It's saying, nope, you've got to fix your problem. So now let's find the problem.